Thank you.
This is the form. Thank you.
Disha, have a seat.
Thank you.
कहाँ के student हो आप?
Sorry?
Are you a student still? Or?
Yes, I'm doing my last year now in Pearl Academy of Fashion, New Delhi,
All right.
as a fashion designer. Yes.
All right. And what is your expertise area?
Women's Western wear.
What sort of Western wear?
Western wear, street to club wear. I like doing streetwear a lot.
All right.
Like for this term project, I have done streetwear, which is collided with club wear.
And what sort of fabrics and material you love playing with?
I like to play with polytaffeta. I like to work with four-way lycra a lot, and I like mesh fabrics as well. And
What
yes,
will you,
mocking
what will
effect.
you create a look for a club wear using a lycra and a mesh? If I give you.
A skirt
All right.
with lycra, you know, a high-waisted skirt, and polytaffeta, maybe a corset, and a jacket out of a mesh. Maybe a shrunken blazer, which is like on this season.
Isn't it too regular?
Shrunken blazer, but yes, with, you know, a little exaggerated sleeves, you know, bold, going bold this season. And also, I have,
What is
I really
bold
like
according to
styling.
you?
Sorry?
What's bold as per you?
Bold, as in I'm talking about design element in terms of sleeves, in terms of cuffs, in terms of, you know, highlighting your waist, in terms of, you know, maybe accessories. I love to accessorize as well. So
But
yes,
like what accessories you love playing with?
I like playing with boots. I like playing with stockings. I like playing with bags. I like playing with, of course, hats because they add a little extra, and especially the hippie cult, which brought in with the, you know, the hairbands and, you know, the funky glasses, wayfarers, you know, all that. Like,
What about the boots? Let's start with the boots.
yeah, I like to play with boots, but I'm not comfortable with the idea of heels because I personally would, you know,
So
love
what
to
about
wear.
a person like me? I want to go to a club.
Yeah.
I'm short. I look pathetic if
I
I
would
wear
definitely
a
give you
skirt.
heels or wedges, you know, for a starter. You'd be comfortable with wedges.
You think
Or
so?
starters, yes.
Okay,
Because
need to
I
go-
am.
I need to go to a club. I am 5. I'm completely 5-inch tall. Now you tell me 5 feet. What exactly I should wear from toe to head? I'll go from the bottom. You know me.
Okay. So I'd give you wedges, black in color, and I might give you stockings. And then I'll give you not so short, but, you know, thigh high dress, a corset dress. And then yes, that's it. And a sling bag because you'd be too busy focusing on your shoes as you would be wearing heels for the first time and you are short. So you might just want to have a sling bag along then, you know, rather than
How will a
focusing on your
sling bag
clutch.
look here in a club?
A chain, a very patla chain, very patla chain, and just a, you know, a ball-like sling
Okay.
bag, which is like comfortable. You don't have to really, you know, think about
Okay,
it.
I give you 15 minutes. Go out, arrange for a pen and paper, draw a look for me, and come back
Okay, right now?
right now.